Okay, so this is the size box that I have. It comes out to about a half a bushel per box. And what I'm going to do is pour them. I'll start right here and run me a sink of water and get that right temperature. I'm going to just run the sink of water and pour them into it. Turn that off until I get done. And then I'm going to rinse them here once, wash them good once. Then I'm going to run another sink full of water here and wash them a second time there. And then I will pull them out into one of my stainless pans. Once they're there, then I'm going to quarter them. And y'all have seen this machine before. This is an industrial juicer. And I will set this up. I'll have a pot sitting here so that the juice can all run out here, and all the pulp and seeds and all that stuff will run out there. And I'll bring you back and show you a little bit while we're working on it, so you can see the process. Okay, so I've got tomatoes there that have been just dumped out of the box and washed, then to put over here in this water. And then after that, we put them up here in a pan. And then after the pan, we go to quartering them like this. Okay, the next thing that happens is that we put a few into, not a few, we'll put a whole lot, but I'm going to put a few so you can see what this does. Okay, I'm going to turn it on. It'll be loud. Put a couple of them in there so that y'all can see. Okay, so as I press them through, the juice comes out there and the pulp goes over there. And then I'm going to take this big, now that's a big pot that I've got down there, probably 18 quart or something. I'm going to get it up to about 14 quarts, and I'm going to take it off and set it on the stove, heat that juice up, and then after it's heated, I'm going to put it in the jars, and the jars will go straight into a hot canner. Well, the last 4 jars are in the water bath. I have a bunch sitting right here, and I'm doing cleanup, and you can see I've got a bunch here, and the mess, oh the mess, it's horrible. You can see my other water bath canner's got tomato juice all over it because I had one jar explode. Well, the bottom exploded off of it. But anyway, so now it's time to clean up, and that's part of it. So you've seen my process for doing my tomato juice. These, I've done all of them in quarts. Let's see, how many did we get? 120, 30, and I'm not done. This was just regular tomato juice. And next I'll be doing Roma juice, and it processes and does everything the same way as this. So, but the quarts are water bath for 35 minutes. You can process them in a pressure canner. I think it's 20 minutes. Pretty sure that's right, in the pressure canner. But by the time you heat the canner and vent for 10 minutes and process for 20 minutes and then let it cool, you can do it in the water bath faster. So anyway, until next time, God bless you.